Morning, everybody. This is Dr. Blumenthal at Natural Transplants, and we are here again at the Bethesda, Maryland location. And we are thrilled to have Darlene here with us this morning. Welcome, welcome. And thanks for sharing her story with us today, or your story with us. Just catch us up on kind of what has been going on, what brought you to us, and why you're doing this.
Well, you know, my generation, we wore a lot of braids, and the braids were tight, and over time, our edges started to come out. And, you know, when you get to my age, you feel like there's nothing I can do. I'm kind of too old to get it. But I realized that you're never too old to want to make yourself beautiful, to make yourself feel better, to make yourself look better. So age is just a number. So if I can help anyone else understand that it's okay at 58 to get it done, it's okay for you to get it done.
Great. And I think that's a nice message. It doesn't really matter kind of, you know, who you are and how old you are. I think, if you want something done, I think then you're never too old to do that. And that's kind of why she wanted to do that today. And I appreciate you sort of sharing your story with us.
Yes.
Well, we're going to have a great day today. We're going to have a lot of fun.
Yes.
Make you look good. And
I'm ready.
Let you wear your ponytail.
Yes.
Sound good?
Yes.
Right. We'll check back in after we do a little bit of drawing and shaving and say hi again.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Here we are back with Darlene. She's a little horrified, but we're having a good time. So we've drawn the lines where we're going to go today. Like we always talk about, we can do about 2 fingers distance all the way around. This part right here, this recession areas, we're hoping to be able to get. It just depends on the density of the hair, so that'll be sort of second priority, but we're going to go, our first priority is the first 2 fingers breast all the way around, so we'll see how that turns out. How you feel?
I'm Boquisha now.
Boquisha now?
Darlene has left the building. Boquisha has shown up. Yes.
All right.
I feel good though.
Good.
You know, you can't get scrambled eggs until you break some eggs. You know, you can't build a house until you build a foundation.
Right.
So sometimes you got to go through the process in order to see the purpose of a thing.
Okay. Obviously, you got to look worse before you look better.
There you go.
All right. But you look good. So we're going to get rolling and get this party started. All right?
All right.
All right. We'll check in a little bit later. All right. Darlene is here, and we have finished the making of the holes, and we are now placing the hairs. And Darlene, how's it been so far?
It's been a little intense, but the overall process, I don't regret having done it.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
So.
You having any pain at this point?
No, I'm not having any pain.
I know the injections were not easy, and that is true for everybody, but you did really well.
Thank you.
But you're comfortable at this point in the hair transplant?
Yes.
Okay, good. Excellent. How was lunch?
Lunch was good.
Lunch was good? Okay.
Y'all got to come for the lunch.
Okay. All right. We'll check in with you at the end. All right, we have finished with Darlene. All in all, how was it? Be honest.
The shots were a little intense, but the overall process, I'm extremely happy with it. I'm looking forward to 4 months, 6 months, 9 months, and a year. I want to say thank you to you and to your wonderful staff. You know, you guys made us feel like we were truly at a spa. So if anybody's interested in getting this process, I'm telling you, you're their only patient for the day. So you're queen for a day. So I would recommend them, I highly recommend them to anybody that wants to get their hair done, whether you're African American, whether you're Caucasian, Asian, Hispanic, Native American, whatever your racial background is, come to these guys because they are really going to give you the queen for a day treatment. So when you leave here, though you may look like this,
temporarily,
right. It's worth the process, going through the process. And I'm just excited and I'm happy that I went through it. So thank you.
I didn't even coach you to say any of this.
No,
you didn't. Well, painting real quick, I just want to show the work we did today because we worked really hard and we got all this filled in. We got all the areas that she wanted to get. We're really excited. And then we'll just do a real quick look at the incision in back here. And then I know it's been a long day. We'll get you out of here. So you can see, came together nice and close. So that's going to heal real well. You're never going to see that. Darlene, it's been a pleasure. I love spending the day with you. Thank you so much. Thanks for your help today. Thanks for sharing your story. Any last words?
Bye, Barry.
Thanks a lot. All right, we are back. This is Dr. Blumenthal. I'm here at Natural Transplants in the Maryland office, and I am thrilled to welcome back Darlene. We are about a little over a year, I think it was.
Yes.
And we did some videos beforehand, and you have completed your year journey, and I must say you look fantastic.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So tell me about how the year went and how you feel at this point.
Well, the year went really good. It actually went faster than I thought it was going to
Yeah.
go. Each month I was seeing something new, something different. It's like opening up a new gift. You're getting a new package every month. So you get to see something, you know. You planted the seeds and it got watered, and now this is the end result. But each month was something new. Something to look forward to, sharing with other people, having people approach me saying they've seen me on Facebook, and
cool.
you know, just knowing that they know the person or they've seen the person. Now they're meeting me in person in real life, and it's been exciting.
Great.
My husband's excited. He says my self-esteem has come up a lot higher. Yes. I've been buying me jewelry to try to accentuate, you know.
Right. An added benefit you didn't think you would have is buying more jewelry afterwards, right?
No.
That's great. Well, you look fantastic, and like you said, you've had people sort of at your work, sort of following along with your journey, and you've even had people stop you and recognize you from the videos, which I think is pretty cool.
Yes. So that's been nice.
Awesome. Well, do me a favor, if you wouldn't mind, put your head down for me, kind of look towards the floor for about 2 or 3 seconds. I'll hold it, and we're going to match up some of your before pictures with that, and that looks awesome. And now if you turn and face to your right. Very nice. And turn and face to your left. And you actually have hair to put in a ponytail.
Yes.
And buns. And it does look a little lighter, kind of around the edges. But as we talked about, that's natural. The edges are supposed to look a little lighter than sort of the rest of the hair. And for you, it looks beautiful. It really matches. You know, it gives you a profile and looks very natural on you. I love it.
I went and looked at a picture when I was 6 years old. And my hairline is exactly like I was when I was 6 years old.
That's fantastic. And you said you have not had any issues with the scar itself. It hasn't caused any pain.
No.
You can't see it, obviously.
It very pain-free.
Good.
I didn't, like I said, in the whole process, I took maybe 2 ibuprofen. That was it.
Okay. That's
you know,
great.
over the counter.
And everybody's a little different. Not everybody will be like that, but you know,
right.
Everybody's pain threshold's different. But that's fantastic that you sort of flew through it. You really didn't have any issues.
Right.
That's
but
great.
See, I don't like pain.
Yeah.
And I just assumed, you know, I was going to be in this extreme amount of pain,
right.
and I don't like paper cuts. So. But for me to have to be in pain easy, this process was very pain free.
Great.
There was not that much pain. There was not hardly any pain there. There was no discomfort. Like I said, the first few nights was getting used to.
Sure.
The new me.
Right.
But yes, I love who I've become.
Awesome. Well, you look stunning. It looks fantastic on you. I'm so proud of you. And thank you so much for doing this. And hopefully your story will kind of inspire somebody else, and, you know, sharing with other people, sort of paying it forward. We always appreciate that. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, Darlene.
Thank you, Dr. Blumenthal. I love you guys.
Oh, we love you too. You're so much fun. And send us pictures along the way. Give us a Christmas card at the end of the year. Let us see how you're doing.
I sure will.
All right. Good seeing you. Right. Take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.